Hi guys, so I decided I'm gonna restart my YouTube channel and start posting some videos. So right now while my baby is sleeping and while she's quiet, I decided I'm gonna clean the stove, and there's this really great product that I am using. Thanks for my sister for introducing it to me, but it really works great, and it really makes your stove look nice. So it's this one here. So I'm gonna post a quick video on how to use this and the before and after of my stove. So here's the before and this is the after. In this box, it comes with the scrubbing tool pad, the cleaner and polish, and the cooktop scraper. So you start off by scraping the stove. Don't be afraid to really press down, it won't scratch your stove. Then you have the polish and the scrub pad. So just put a little bit of polish in there and scrub away. This is such an amazing product. So if your stove cleaner is not working, try this one out. Thanks for watching.